Hey there, friends. This is Ayesha at Youngspapercreations, and of course, you can find me at my Etsy store, and that is Junk Journals for You. So, very excited. I sold two journals last week, sent it out this week, and sent it out on Monday. The order came in, I think, Friday. So, I have like a 3 days period there where I've committed to sending out the journals, packing it, and everything. Today, I am here to just spend some time continuing on the finish piece to this journal. It's more of a fall autumn theme, and I need to put in some pockets. I love making it nice and chunky, so I do have some extra writing spaces available. I do make writing journals, my friends, so the idea is that you get an opportunity to journal your thoughts on aesthetically pleasing pages as you flip. So there's going to be lots of writing opportunities available. And even here, you could either paste something onto that. If you have a photo, a beloved photo, I'm trying to reach in here because I've got a card. But if you have a beloved photo, you can, tape that into your journal. Um, you can do anything. But yeah, so my main goal right now is to put in some pockets. This one here, I'm gonna be using an envelope and it's tied nicely with a bow. So I'm gonna be using this envelope as a pocket. And it's always maddening because you have to decide when you have, a pretty side that you have to tag down. But it's gotta be done. So we are a few days shy of Thanksgiving. Don't know what you all have planned. I have a cousin who's like probably going to be the next matriarch in line, hopefully not too soon. And she loves to do different things for the family. So she's put out the message for Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to be taking the easy way out, not being a cook, a big time cook. I'm going to be taking apple pies. So we're going to be having a Sunday dinner. So thank you, cuz. So this here is a pocket. I just tagged that envelope down. So when this is dry and I go back into it, my task is just to put in extra writing spot for you to use. And it basically will be something like this. So that will go right in there. This is not what's going there, so I'm going to take it out. When I'm finished, maybe tomorrow, I will come back and show you with a flip through. Here is another, this is going to be two folds, no pun intended, as I folded this. So, and as you can see, it mimics each other, right? So this is a cutoff from this. This is a wallpaper sheet, and these are wonderful because they're beautiful and varied. The back, oftentimes you'll find the information for the wallpaper because it's from a wallpaper book. And so here is a lot of writing opportunities. Over here, it's not. So I'm going to make this into a pocket. And when you flip it, you have an opportunity to journal. I have the opportunity to put this at the top or the bottom. But since I've already decided to make this bottom a pocket, it's important to even out the journal. So you don't want it too bulky at the bottom or the top. You want to alternate. So this is going to be a wonderful journal because when we I'm trying to make sure I don't do the wrong thing. I need the glue to the top. Many of us made mistakes in putting the glues on the wrong side, which alters our decision as to how we would like the journal to be. This is why I don't like doing too many tutorials, because when I'm making my journals, I kid you not, guys, it's a therapeutic process for me. If I don't create and, just have that quiet time to myself, I don't feel right. Journaling is wonderful, but creating the journals, that's also very wonderful an experience. So this needs to dry, but here you've got your other additional writing opportunities, and then you have a tuck. So this gives you a double usage. I think there's another one that I wanted to. Right here, I've chosen to have these guest checks sheets. I think there are 3 of them. And I'm basically going to attach this to, do I want it in the middle or the side? I'll leave it at the side. I'm going to I'm going to attach this here. And this again is just another additional writing opportunity for you here, because the texture of this wallpaper on this side wouldn't make it easy for you to write unless you were using a marker, because this is porous. It feels, because you see it's a brick type of a background. So I'm gonna go and attach some brads to this, and I like using 2 because I'm gonna be absolutely sure that nothing will move. Everything will stay in its space. So brads happen to be one of the easiest fix to many problems. I like using brads. I go through them quite a bit, and I also like eyelets. They are great ways to attach items onto your page and yet add such a lovely. See here, I noticed that I placed 2 separate brads. I wasn't paying attention. This is why talking and working is not always good for me. But this is an easy fix. It's not fully even, but it's a gem journal and it's handmade. So there we go. So we have that. And I think that's all I wanted to do, because prior to my turning on the camera, I added in pockets here. I added a pocket to the front here. And this is going to be great for adding in some items here. So by the time I'm finished adding all my items under here and into here, this is going to be looking so pretty. And I place this, see my eyelet that I placed right here, and I was able to attach some added writing space there. I already showed you this pocket that we made here, this flip up and pocket under here, this flip up, this, oh, this one I needed to do. Okay, so here's another area where I'm gonna use, so again, writing journal. If you're interested in this already without seeing my finished product with all the items in the pockets. It's first come, first serve, so you want to reach out to me so I can find out where this will be going and then have it in the mail. If not, I will finish it off and have a flip through either this evening or tomorrow. Depends on what else I am doing. My favorite part of creating journals for my customers happens to be putting it together. I love that beginning process. I get to be quiet and I'm pulling all the beautiful papers and seeing the beginning of the creation. I really enjoy that piece. Sometimes so much so. That's why I keep telling you all, if you don't see a journal that you like in the shop, let me know and I will do a quick flip through of what else I have, because I do a lot of prep work. And I think part of that is because I so love the beginning process. So I have many naked journals that all I need to do is spend some time doing exactly what you saw me doing, finishing off the pockets and adding all the extra writing spots. So, thank you for spending this time with me. I have to go get ready for work. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.